Good morning. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchich with your April 29th, 2013 outlook. And starting off with the radar and satellite combo this morning, and there's plenty of clouds around and some spotty showers, some little steadier showers over southern Jersey and southeastern portions of southeastern PA this morning, but most everywhere else is just dealing with some spotty showers and drizzle. And this is largely due to an upper level system that's going to be moving through today. You really can't see it on any surface map because it's an upper level low that's going to be moving through offshore. Meanwhile, we have a high pressure that's sitting way out here, and the flow of between the two, the high pressure and the low, and you got a onshore flow with the winds here, an east wind coming from the high, and then the low pressure moving offshore will bring the showers today. That's going to continue through tomorrow again. We're still going to have that onshore flow, we think. We're going to put this in motion real quick just to give you an idea how slow this is moving. This is not moving very fast, very spotty over in this area here. A little, again, steadier and heavier down here in South Jersey. I expect it to continue today. Not really anything that's going to be overwhelmingly, it's just going to keep it damp and miserable all day for the next couple days. Nothing really exciting. And then we look at the future radar composite here. You can see that clearly here off the NAM, and there's really, just as you go forward in time here, there's really nothing here that jumps out at you as just being incredibly heavy, and you just have these light spotties, and just drizzle, nothing, not a big deal, light shower or drizzle over the next day or two, and then we might start clearing out on Wednesday. We're going to take a look and see how long this decides to stick around, but you can see still, even if it's not heavy, you still get some light, light drizzle hanging around with that onshore flow. So that's what it's looking like for the next couple of days. And then here we go from Tuesday on the European model. What's going to happen here is you see it starts to clear out a little bit on Wednesday. And what's going to end up happening here is there's going to be that high pressure that we had up here sitting offshore. All right, is going to actually try to sink down to the southwest. The upper level system is going to move down here, okay, and then it's going to continue to do it offshore. This thing here is going to move southwest and get right around here and kind of reestablish itself. Once it does that, it's going to dry out. You get sinking air and a high pressure. It actually gets a little bit stronger as it retrogrades southwest here and reestablishes itself in this area here. So we're going to get a string of some very nice days. Again, this low is going to kick out. And this is going to kind of sit here and spin for a couple days, but high pressure is good if you wanted to sit and spin, because that means you're going to have fair weather moving in. So eventually this is going to sink even further to the south here, and when the high gets down here, you're going to have a a flow like this, and that's any kind of flow that gets out of the southwest, southwest is going to promote warmer weather. So we do think by next weekend here we're going to have another gem of a weekend. Beautiful weekend coming up again. Then we might be dealing with a system early next week, but some differences in timing and modeling on that system as well. So, look at it right now that once that system, once the high pressure does get down here eventually, once it gets down here, you're going to have that warm up this weekend. I think the temperatures get up in the 70s or even below 70s this weekend once the flow around this high becomes established, and you have that warmer air coming up from the south. So looks like we have another get through the next couple of days. Today and tomorrow at the very least. I think we start Wednesday. We start drawing out a little bit, but still some clouds dominating the forecast. Maybe even a shower or two on Wednesday. But then I think Thursday and beyond, straight through, at least early next week, we're looking okay. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchich, and that is your April 29th, 2013 outlook. Have a great day.